Hi. If you are watching this, somebody thought of you, not by chance, not randomly, but somebody truly saw you. Because there was something in your energy or the way that we crossed paths or had a conversation that felt you must try this. Just to experience something deep within at core level. And maybe you have no idea what this anointing oil is all about. And that's completely okay. Because what you're holding right now, this little bottle, is not just an oil. We oil workers believe it's a messenger. It's a memory from ancient days that's coming back online right now. So if you have the bottle, then take it now and hold it in your hand. And just hold it. Smell and feel how it resonates. And don't overthink it too much because that is what we want to unlearn, right? The overthinking. Just sense that, just that one inhalation. There is an explosion of amazing sense. And because you probably got this bottle in a crowded environment and now you're at home, it's more easy to connect to the energy of the gift that you're holding right now. We oil workers treat this bottle as a key because, in our belief, it holds geometric codes and an invitation to begin that inner journey, to find the way within and to stop all the data dump that we have on a day. The oil that is here is that you're holding has a long story, and she asked me to blend her with 12 different essential oils. Yeah, you heard it. 12 different essential oil are here in the bottle that you're holding right now. And they are geometric codes and they are connected with elements like earth, water, fire, sky, ether, and the light of the zodiacal signs. If you know a little bit about astrology, it's also in it. We have activated within. And we did it together and in alignment with the planet Venus, the planet of harmony and love. And because explaining all 12 essential oils would be taking a little bit too long, I will not do that right now. But the first one that is in the oil that you're holding right now is rose. And rose is the only flower on earth that holds this high frequency. And it's connected to self love and setting your boundaries because setting your boundaries is also self-love. And in ancient cultures, they knew this and they anointed themselves with rose. And the other oil that is within here is a blue lotus. And that was very beloved in Egypt with the Mayas in India, and she awakened your spiritual gifts. And we also work with spikenard, that's a biblical oil, and jasmine, and much more. So this isn't just a recipe, this is alchemy. And this oil is more than 500 days old. And she has traveled for more than a year from Glastonbury in England to the Hill of Tara in Ireland, or the caves of the Druids and the Cathars, or she's been in the pyramids of Egypt and the Mayas and India and Greece. So she has been in all those places and she was activated over there with sound, with mantras, with breath work, with intention, everything, that we received in those beautiful sacred sites, those countries now rest in the palm of your hand. So let that sink in for a moment, because this oil is more powerful than you think. And that means that this oil has been infused with love and intention and, long before she found you. So now you know what's in the oil and where it has been. You maybe want to know, okay, but what to do with it? So when we work with anointing oil, we will work very carefully and we only work with a few drops at a time. So let's start how to work with it. Just settle yourself down and take a deep breath from the core of the earth. up to your pineal gland and breathe out from the top of your head. So you're connected with above and below. So breathe in one more time from the core of the earth up to your pineal gland and breathe out to the top of your head. One more time. Breathe in from the core of the earth and breathe out from the top of your head. So now you're grounded. Beautiful. Now take a few drops into your hands. We only work with drops. Close your eyes and smell. Now I'm asking you to hold an intention. So you close your eyes and hold an intention. Maybe you want some more clarity, or you want some more insights, or maybe you want to feel more peaceful. Whatever it is, you can place your intention in the oil. Now we connect to our heart. That's where everything begins. So close your eyes and connect to your heart with the oil on your fingertips. And speak out loud your intention. So my intention is to receive more clarity. And don't overthink it. Just simple trust that it works. Now you can open your eyes. Beautiful. If you'd like, you can also anoint your forehead. That's totally up to you. You can anoint your chakras. You can anoint your feet. You can do a lot with anointing. And this is just a small guideline on how to anoint yourself in the morning or in the evening. So now you know this, be mindful of where you place the bottle, because we oil workers, we treat it as a living entity. And therefore we want to hold it close to us or in a special place. And one more thing, always leave a tiny bit in the bottle to preserve its vibration, because later when you want to make this oil for yourself, if you'd like so, of course, these drops become the base of your oil, because oil multiplies herself. That's her magic, because if you place 2 bottles of water together, then water copies each other. It's scientifically proven. If working with oils aligns with you, then I invite you to come along on this journey. Click on like and subscribe, and I offer free lessons where you can learn how to make your own sacred womb oil. But first try it for yourself if it resonates. Because in my opinion, it isn't a coincidence that this bottle has found you. This is just a journey calling all of us to remember that you maybe once worked with oils before. Well, I hope I will see you in the next video. With so much love. Thank you.